And then look at that. It looks so natural. Like, it looked like I literally got a silk press. A whole silk press. I love it. Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. I am Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I am showing you how to do literally the easiest and quickest style ever. I hope you enjoy this video. It's 2 looks in just one, so stay tuned. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, share this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be notified of all of my new videos. Today's video is sponsored by Outre, and I'm going to be creating 2 looks with their converti cap in the texture Hollywood Waves. I'm going to be creating my first look, which is my silk press look, and then a bonus look of a ponytail. Okay, so first I'm going to be applying the first combs that are right there in the front. I'm going to hold it in place, and I'm going to start to use those side combs and go ahead and comb that into each side as well, still holding the front in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and comb in the very back at the nape, still holding it in place. And now with that little drawstring, I'm actually going to pull on, like, it looked like a little bead almost, you know what I mean? But I'm going to pull on that first, and then I'm going to actually bring that up to keep it in place and secure the wig. So now that my wig is secure, I'm going to just use one of my straight pins and pin the rest of that string up. After, I'm going to be using my flat irons. They are ceramic plates, and I'm going to be going in with 410 degrees. And I'm just going to give one pass to my leave out. And now that my leave out is pressed out, now I can just kind of play with my hair, see how deep I wanted my sides to go, and to sleek my edges. To sleek my edges, I'm going to be doing a mixture of some of my Edge Effect Black Edge Control as well as my level 5 Edge Effect Edge Control as well. I really like mixing these 2 together. They definitely hold for a while. I will say to make sure that you're not using too much, and that you also making sure that you're combing through that product, because if you don't, you will have some residue and it can be white, and we don't want that. Love this wig. It is just so cute. I really do. It's nice and full. Look like I got a nice quick weave. This nice and secure. It's not tight or anything. I give it 5 stars for sure. And then look at that. It looks so natural. Like it looked like I literally got a silk press. A whole silk press. I love it. So I know that it's just a drawstring, but it is important that you do your takedown safely and correctly. So first, I'm going to actually just go ahead and pull that bead back down so that we can undo the drawstring. And then you're just going to carefully remove each comb from each section of your head. So to create my slick pony look right quick, I am going to be hitting the perimeter of my hair with 410 degrees with my ceramic flat irons. I just wanted to create a quick slick look and avoid a lot of product usage. Now that I have my ponytail and some of my got-to-be spray, I'm going to be just making sure that I get it nice and dried and molded by going ahead and just using my hand to just brush upward. I am using my heat on medium heat, not high heat, because for one, your hand cannot be getting burnt up and it's just not needed. The spray pretty much dries up with medium heat anyway. The same way like we did the wig, I'm going to be applying those combs close to the ponytail, but not directly like right there by the hair tie. You want to have a little bit of space because when you do your drawstring, sometimes if it's way too close, it doesn't really have enough to actually comb through and hold on to. And what it'll do is like a bunch up and can just pretty much just come off. And like I did before, I am holding everything in place as I apply the combs all the way around. Because the hair is not long, it won't necessarily wrap all the way around like your traditional ponytails. And this is a wide pony. So what I decided to do was grab a piece from one side and I'm going to pin it with a straight pin. And then I'm actually going to go from the other side and bring it across just to add that extra security and make sure that we really created a nice wrap look. I don't know if you've noticed, but most of the time you see that I am combing out these curls with my fingers. I do suggest that you use your fingers or a very wide tooth comb and start at the ends all the way up to avoid any type of tangling because this hair is synthetic. But as you can see, it got your girl right. And this is the finishing look for our ponytail. here are the final looks that we did in today's video. You got our flip over method. Look at that bob, I'm just stuck. And also you have your high ponytail with these beautiful curls. You don't even need to curl this hair, it's already ready to go. I hope you babes enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, share this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV. All the information on this hair is in the description below, and I will see you in my next video.